Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to pass data from child to parent using React library. For this I have already created basic functions like child component, and we'll assume this app dot as parent component. So I'm rendering my child component inside this parent component app. We'll create a state here for count. So what we are gonna do in this video is we are gonna update the counter. So we'll be passing that updated count value from child to the parent. Parent will not have any original value, it gets value from its child. So that's what we are going to do. But before doing that, first let's update the count value using the child component itself, the child component. So count and set count. I hope you all know about this hooks state and hooks concept. I'm using here use state hook. So use state, so we'll import our use state here. Let's put the initial count value as 0. So first I would like to show the count gets count getting updated in child component itself before showing it in the parent component. So let's use h3 and update the count. So we'll update the count on click. So update, use on click event to update the value. Handle update. Let's create one event handler. Handle update. Now let's update our count and set count plus 1. So we have already rendering this child component inside this parent component, so we can see that output. So whenever we click on this update, we can see the count is getting updated by one value for each click, right? So now what we are seeing, this thing is rendering from the child component, it's not getting rendered from the parent. You can see we don't have any original values getting rendered from app component. We are getting those values from the child one. So if I remove this one, you don't see these values, right? Because we are getting that from child component. So what we want to do is we want to see the values from the app, right? So for that, so what we want to do is we want to send this count value to the parent, to the app component. So for that, what we need to do is we need to create the what we'll do is let's name it as counter. Set counter, and we'll take it as initial value as 0. So we'll create one handler, const handle counter. So we'll pass this handle counter to the child component. Handle counter. So what we are doing is we are calling this function, and we are sending this reference of this function to the child component. So to receive that, we need to use as props handle counter. So we'll call this inside this handle counter. So whenever we click on this update button, inside, which is inside this child component. Then these will call this handle update, and inside this we have handle counter. Again, this will call the reference handle counter function. This in turn calls this handle counter. It's a callback function. So we'll first check whether these callback is getting called or not. Called. Let's see the console output. So when I click on this, we need to see that called message. You can see the called message. So it means our parent component is getting called. So the callback is happening now. So here you can update that value, like so we'll be getting one value whenever this gets called. So for that we need to pass that count value here. So if we pass the count value here, whenever this handle counter gets called, let's put one variable. You can put anything. Let's see whether we are getting that count value or not. Right, now whenever I click, earlier we placed one console message called. Now I'm checking whether I'm getting that count value from child or not. So you can see we are getting that count value. So what we need to do is we need to render this value inside the parent component. We can do like this, h3, and just do like counter. Now what we need to do is we no need to do like this, count plus 1, because it's already happening inside child component. We just need to update the counter with this value which we are getting from our child component. That's it. Whatever we are getting from the child, we just need to update that using set counter. So you can see, okay, first let's remove this unnecessary stuff, and we'll remove this count value in child also. So now you can see, let's click on this. See, we are not rendering that count value from child, right? We are showing that counter value from app component only. So we'll see whether it's getting updated or not. Whatever value we are getting in app component, that is parent component, we are getting that from the child. You can see using the callback. So let's see. You can see the value is getting updated. We are getting that value from the child component. So I will explain it one more time. So this is the parent component. Inside this we are rendering the child component. So to this child component we are passing this handle counter reference, so as a prop to the child component. So inside the child component we are receiving that prop. So we know that this is a function, so we are calling this function inside this handle update. Whenever we click on this button, this handle update is getting triggered. So in turn, this is calling this handle counter by passing this count value. So whenever it passes that count value, this function gets invoked, and in turn this updates the count value with this value. So we can see that value here. That's what is getting rendered here. So this is how we need to pass data from child to parent. Thanks a lot for watching the video.